Guys, we are going to finally rate it here, guys, so you guys can know who has the better curry.
I'm gonna eat one each.
Wagwan subbies! I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
We are here for a good time.
A long time.
Today, we are going to settle some facts. Danny, tell them what we got going on here.
Who has the best curry?
As you can see, we have some Jamaican curry right here, some Trinidad curry right here, and we have a roti to go with the Trinidad curry right here, and we have some white rice to go with the curry goat. I don't even know what I'm saying right now because I'm so excited to eat because I haven't eaten all day.
I'm just like, hurry up. I'm hungry.
Yeah, today we're going to settle some facts and see who has the better curry goat. Comment down below who you think has the better curry goat.
And comment down below where you're from.
Yes, comment down below if you're Trinidad, team Jamaica. Comment down below right now. We're going to find out who has the best curry goat. As you can see, they give you some white rice with the curry goat right here because that's our traditional Jamaican curry goat.
We always get rice and peas.
Yes, I get rice and peas because I don't know, I like it better like that.
But I actually like white.
I don't eat rice and peas that often, so when I do get Jamaican food, I get rice and peas.
You eat rice and peas like every week.
Yeah, I mean like when I go to somewhere and go eat it somewhere else, you know?
Okay.
I just don't go get plain salsa white rice. What I need you guys to do right now is go ahead and smash that like button, smash the like button, smash the like button. Can I say it again? Smash the like button.
And then hit the bell.
Hit the bell. How you hit the bell? You have to hit the subscribe and then the bell pops up. Comment down below notification, chase notification, Team Jamaica, Team Trinidad.
Okay guys, so I think it's really the type of curry that's used that separates the two.
The two from the best, but I don't know which one is the best. I think they're both probably
good in their own
yeah.
like way, but we never tried it at one time to see which one we really prefer.
Yeah, and I feel like when you eat the curry goat, it's just gonna nice in your stomach. It's just gonna be nice.
I think anything can taste good right now because we're hungry.
Yeah, and you know what's crazy, guys? I don't really eat curry goat from anybody because I feel like if you can't cook curry goat that good, he might just ruin your belly.
Yeah.
And you don't want it to ruin your belly.
Curry in general,
because you'll be
goat.
Yeah, and you can be in the bathroom for days, and I mean literally days.
That's like a testimony.
Comment down below if you had to go to the bathroom because you ate too much curry or the curry wasn't that good. Comment down below right now. Alright, so guys, as you can see right here, we have the Jamaican curry right here.
With plantain that Chad's going to give me one of because he always hugs the food on his side.
And guess what, guys? Veggies is always coming with Jamaican dishes when you buy it over here, guys. Or even in Jamaica, they always serve veggies. Oh, you want some steamed veg or veggies?
I like raw veggies more than steamed.
I like it steamed, Daniel like it raw. I mean, we like it both ways.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
I don't know. Should we start with Jamaican or
and then move to?
Move to, yeah.
Alright, you rock, paper, scissors for Trinidad and I rock, paper, scissors for Jamaica. Alright, ready? Jamaica, we got this. Trinidad, you got this? Trinidad, you get this? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, we lose.
Trinidad, we have won.
Alright, now I'll cost me no, you know. Whole of Jamaica cost me no. Alright, so we're gonna test. Yeah, if you hear some sound effects in the background, that is Team Chase.
As usual.
Yes. Alright, guys. Alright, guys.
Start with the curry goat from
Trinidad. Right now, G.
Me too.
I'm like licking my lips, thinking I'm eating it at the same time.
I should have had it with roti.
Yeah? Oh, how does it taste? It tastes good? Oh god, it's nice and green. That's, you know, when they use a real deep curry, you know, that's like the dark curry. Boom, boy. Guys, it's nice and spicy.
Yeah, this one's good. Oh, I got hot sauce too, but we don't need it.
If you guys know me by now, guys, excuse me, Daniel. Excuse me. If you guys know me by now, you know.
Can you stop moving the food away from me?
I'm a big roti fan here. Big roti fan.
And the roti is really good.
Yeah. I could eat plain roti all day. Like, honestly, if I could eat it in the morning, in the evening.
He'll just eat roti and gravy.
Yeah, I'll eat roti and gravy, guys. Oh my god. Some roti and dal. Comment down below if you have that. Comment down if you
know what they had when I got this?
What?
Doubles.
They had doubles going on? Danielle sabotage the thing, guys.
But we had a mission. So this goat is actually really good. You know, sometimes when it's like too dark and you taste like the seasoning is just too strong.
Yeah, like they don't cook it out properly and it just tastes like dirt.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it just tastes like dirt. Sometimes you eat some curry goat and it just tastes like dirt and you say you can't name it. Sometimes you just fling with the plate.
Okay, I said we'll wash our mouth with water.
Yeah. Let me just take one more bite right now, guys. I'm probably hurting your feelings eating this right in front of your eyes and you guys are, damn, I wish we could get some right now. I'm sorry, I do apologize. Go grab some popcorn or go grab some, I don't know. Go grab some dried crackers, some Excelsior water crackers and watch you eat.
Butter.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
I mean, you must have some water crackers in your house. If you don't have water crackers in your house, you're not Jamaican.
Comment down below, do people in Trinidad keep water crackers in their house like Jamaicans?
Yeah. Comment down below, we want to know.
Well, not even Trinidad only, like all the Caribbean islands. Do you guys love water crackers like how we do?
Guys, I was right about to go dip into this, and then I realized I'm not supposed to dip into this.
Clear your mouth, clear your mouth.
I need to wash it down with some water, sponsored by nobody. We're not going to show you which water we're drinking here, guys, as Danielle can show you right now.
Guys, okay, so this one's really good. It's spicy. It's nice, it's soft.
Actually, I really like Trinidad curry and it's really good. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's nice and spicy to the T.
You don't even need the extra pepper.
We got this from Sybil's
Bakery.
Sybil's Bakery, right here in Fort Lauderdale here, and it tastes good. But not lie to you guys. It's not a promotion. I'm just telling. If you hear in the background, I'm sorry. I apologize. Yeah. Okay. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? I love you. Okay. Back to what I was saying though, guys. The curry, it's really good. I'm not promoting it or anything like that. I'm just telling you guys it's really good.
Okay, ready. I'm ready to eat again.
Okay. Here we go. We're gonna go over
I'm gonna
here.
use a new fork because we don't want to mix.
When you know it's really Jamaican curry, it's very light yellow. Like it's really light yellow.
I love that kind of curry.
Yeah, and I like that curry too as well. This curry right here is like a more darkish curry.
A dark green.
Green. And that curry, I love that curry as well too, guys. When it's extra spicy like how it is right now, that's fire. So we're going to find out Jamaican curry right now.
I'm not listening to you because I'm thinking about the curry.
Okay, hold on. Let's cheers before you eat.
Okay.
She's eating with the rice already. Cheers. And I like this bottle. Guys, I know my hurt on the feelings. It's right in front of you guys.
Okay.
This is wicked. You know I like to.
It's two different types of curries, but they just taste so good. Like each of them tastes like good in their own way.
Yeah. And you know what's crazy? This is actually tastes like goat. Like rammy goat. Cause you know people be cooking mutton and it's not real goat. But this is goat. Like this is goat. By the way, we got this from where? Dutch Pot. They be cooking a fire curry goat sometimes.
Guys, what's one color shirt you shouldn't wear when you're eating curry?
Really? Guys, white. It's white. The answer is white.
And guess who's gonna have to wash it?
Danny. I mean, it's gonna have a stain, so you can't wash it. Is your shirt? No.
My shirt?
By the way, I'm teething one of these plantains right here.
I'm gonna take mine before he eats it.
Yeah. One thing about plantain, guys, if it's like this, not dry, I don't know. I don't like dry plantain, but you know.
Dry plantain? Like it's probably not ripe, you know.
Yeah, but you see when it's nice and moisty like this, it's nice and moisty. You can just eat the whole thing one go.
You just meant that word up. Moisty.
Guys, we are going to finally rate it here, guys, so you guys can know who has the better curry.
I'm gonna eat one each.
Guys, it's a hard decision, and we are going to start on Trinidad's curry. This Danielle right here is eating out of every plate right now. She's not even focusing on what we're supposed to be doing here. We are trying to rate it, and she just eating. Yeah, man, that's what you forget. You know, stop eating, just relax. We're going to have to rate it.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to start on Trinidad. I am going to give Trinidad's curry goat a whopping 9. Give it a 10 when you put the roti with the curry goat gravy. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. 9. Daniel, what do you vote for Trinidad?
I give it a 9 because of the spice. I thought Jamaica was going to be the clear winner.
Yeah, because the spice.
Because that's just the curry that I'm used to.
Yeah, and this curry goat right here,
this one?
It's nice and spicy. But I do believe Trinidad cooks a lot more spice. I've been told with the curry, they put a lot more spice and it's really kicking and it tastes so good that I'm going to eat more after this video. Okay?
I know, I'm like waiting on it because I can just eat everything. Okay, I'm going to give it actually 9.1 for the spice.
With the roti, I give it a 10, obviously. And alright, so the moment, the truth, everything. We're gonna give it to you right now, guys. Are you guys ready? Make sure you smash that like button. We are gonna tell you about this Jamaican curry. One thing before we tell you about this Jamaican curry, I feel like they didn't cook too much spice because the reason why,
like, they probably have to cater to everybody, so they can't make it too spicy, but it could have done with a little bit more spice.
But I'm so used to Jamaican curry that I know it's always a whopping 9 out of 10 every time you eat it. Every time you eat it. With the white rice, give it a 10. I don't even love white rice like that, but give it a 10.
So right now we're even.
Yeah, so we're even right now, guys.
I agree.
Yeah.
I think they're both nice in their own way. So I think I'm gonna agree and give it a 9.1.
Really? Really? Your deciding factor? You're
Guys,
deciding
it's
factor?
like hard to compare because it's two different tastes.
Yes.
And it's like
a darker curry here and a lighter curry.
It's like you eat it with a roti, so it's like a complete.
Yeah, it just.
And then you eat it with white rice, which is another complete package.
Yeah,
so
it feels like it just tastes so good. It just tastes so good. And like everything, you just think about, alright, let me just eat some of the Jamaican curry, let me eat some of the
Then you're gonna want some roti, and then you want this curry with the roti. The only thing, the Jamaican one lost a little bit of points because of the spice.
Yes, because it would have get a whopping 10 out of 10. Both of them are fire, guys. And right after this video, it's probably gonna have 0 plates around here. Because everything's gonna be gone.
We're gonna have to split it down the middle because
we're gonna fight for it. We probably don't live after this video, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Comment down below who you think has a better curry, because we want to know, guys, because both of them taste good. We're not being biased or anything. They really taste good.
Really
and today they were on point, and thank God they were on point because I was hoping one of them not to fail, okay? Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough, and we are going to do notification shout out time.
First notification goes to Antoinette Matheson Hall.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over there and set up right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Ibanks Erica.
Ibanks, big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. And third and final notification shout out goes to
Kimisha Haynes.
Big up your damn self. Thank you so much for your love and support. You're gonna go right here. You guys are the best. We can't say this enough. Thank you guys for your love and support.
We
you
love
mean
you
so much to us, guys. We love you guys, and you don't know.
We're gonna end this video right here.
Before we do that, we like to say our quote of the day before we go. And yeah.
What's your quote of the day?
In life, if you have curry and it's Jamaican curry and Trinidad curry, you have a nice life.
Oh my god. Anyways,
love you guys.
out.
Peace.